So this week's reflection is on copyright and fair use. And let me see, on the csus.ed quiz, the fair quiz, I was actually surprised about the Blockbuster, that it was false. The Blockbuster video with the renting every week. I was also surprised that you can only record at the time of the request. You can't pre-record stuff if you think the teacher might need it. And I also was surprised by the professor who copied all of those expensive software and gave it to each of the students. I got those wrong, and I was kind of surprised on those. So on the restricted access network, the advantages and disadvantages. So when a teacher or people use copyrighted stuff on a restricted access network, there are advantages because they are less likely to be challenged by the right holder. And I find that kind of surprising. It surprised me because I didn't know that that was the way that it could be. Copywriting is a very big deal. Like, you have to be real careful. Like, when you write English papers, you have to cite them. Most schools, like Fort Hayes, have a little thing that you have to click to make sure there's not plagiarism, that you haven't copyrighted or used anything that you're not supposed to. So I think it's a really great source. I think it's great. These are great sources that were given to us to actually show students and to help them along the way with everything. And I think it's fantastic that this was part of this technology class, because it's something that students really need to learn.